What up, Tube? It's your boy DJ here, and I have a review on for you sneakerheads out there, a box stacking kit to put in your closet for your shoes. This is the Blisset Click Stackable Shoe Rack. You can find it on Amazon in 12 packs for $30. I got two of them. They're very well put together, and they're very easy to put together. And I'm going to also stack them, put lights around them, but I'll show you that here in a little bit. So I'm going to turn this around, and my wife's going to show you. So that's the finished product right there. As you can see, it's got a door that opens, and you can slide your shoes right in and out. The black pieces really make the box very sturdy. So as you can see, she's taken this already and folded the corners.
Fold these little tabs inside, and then
you want to make sure you get your
inside the groove.
You want to make sure also you get your pegs all on top so you can click them together. So she's doing the back one first there. You hear it click in like that.
I figured it's easier to put the back on the bottom or back on the floor and then click it into it. That way you can reach inside.
And then once again, you can turn those doors either way, by the way. You can have them open from the left or the right. And then you just fit it over the plastic again like that. They're going to click into place. All you gotta do is get it lined up. And then those tabs click for you right here. And as you can see, they stay in place. And the black really is really sturdy, as you can see, so it makes it not bend too much.
And then there's little peg holders on either side, so you can...
One there. So you can open from left to right, which we're opening. Which this is the other thing. You got them here so you can stack them next to each other. So in other words, like if this box was going to stack next to it, you would have these right here. So you could click them together like that, which is what I'm going to do. And then stack them together in the bedroom like that. You don't have to do all of it right now since we're doing it, unless you want to. Okay, so they go beside each other and on top. So that's a pretty much tutorial on how to do those. And then I'm going to show you here in my walk-in what I'm going to do. I'm going to stack them up. There's 24, so I'm going 6 high, 4 across. And I've got here, so we're still moving in. So I'm going to go here. Or we're going to go up to here, and I'm having 4 across. And I'll put LEDs all behind them. And then when you go to put the shoes in, all you got to do is open this little tab right here. It'll be a lot easier when they're together. Put them back here against the wall. Slide your shoes in. I've got a pair of shoes right here I'm going to try out. I believe you put them in sideways like this. And of course you have to make sure you don't have giant shoes. These are a little bit big on me. They're my running shoes, as you can see. But then you just go in, you click it in, and just like that. And they hold your shoes. Now I got a lot of Jordans, Yeezys, LeBrons, stuff like that I want to keep clean. So this is a really nice way to do it, and it really looks good, and it's going to look good when I put the LEDs all around the back, and I'm going to have the LEDs shining through the back there. So anyway, that was a quick tutorial on the Blisset Click Box for your shoes here. Like I said, you can find it on Amazon. And if you like the video, please subscribe. I'm going to start doing more videos now that I finally moved down to Florida and I have time to do so. And be checking, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.